So Soumitra again from Mineral Water Project Information. In this video, we are going to talk about water source for a packaged drinking water plant or a bottled water plant. So many times we are getting many queries about the source. Okay, what should it be like? So we are going to discuss about the source for a packaged drinking water plant. So first people ask us, what is river allowed? So dear friends, river is not allowed, okay, because river can be contaminated like anything. So river is out of question. Open well, with certain conditions, open well is allowed. Then municipal water, yes, if the municipality permits you, if you have a proper permission, it is allowed. And the best source for packaged drinking water plant is the borewell, the groundwater. Obviously, there are now certain conditions which are coming up with the groundwater. There is a authority called Central Groundwater Board, CGWA and CGWB. So certain states you need permission from the Central Groundwater Boards, and otherwise the state authorities also have to be looked after first. So if you have a state authority, go to that authority first. If they permit, then only you can set up a packaged drinking water plant, or you can use that particular groundwater source. Certain states also have regulated quantity of water when you can draw, okay, so withdraw. So that is also important thing. Otherwise the PCB, the Pollution Control Board, they also give permissions, and they also look after the quantities which are allowed for a packaged drinking water for withdrawal from ground. So this is again the second thing. Rainwater, there are many queries, can it be used, rainwater? So in certain countries rainwater is used for bottling, okay. So India, I am not very sure about it, still the plant has to come like that. So can it be used? It's still under consideration, we really don't know about it. People also ask us about the wastage from RO water plant. So since it was a major subject, so wastage, because as you know, you may be knowing about it, the packaged drinking water plant, when it processes the raw water, there is some wastage water which goes out. So the wastage water can be used again for the source water. So directly it cannot be used. Directly you can mix it the raw water, it cannot be used like that. But you can establish, you can have again some treatment system on the wastage, and then you can use it. You consult through your ISI consultant or write to us, we can get the query resolved for you. So second is there is packaged mineral water plant also, okay, packaged natural mineral water plant. So natural mineral water plant, actually the source is the most important thing. That is why the waters are very expensive, okay. So these sources need to be very much unmanned. So they should be protected from the public intervention. That is what they say. So there is a detailed ISI 13428. You can go to that standard and you can see what is the source like, okay. So in our trainings we talk detailed about this, So this you can always check for mineral water plant. And there is another kind of water which is vitaminized water, okay. So vitaminized water, like smart water, if you have seen, so it is not an ISI water, okay. But we have seen in some cases like Tata water and smart water, both waters, the source water which they use is the packaged drinking water plant water. So it is ISI water, that is what they are using. Even ISI and packaged drinking, FSSAI also claims that you should use the base water, it should be from a packaged drinking water plant. So this was about the source and source water kind of thing. So if you have some more queries, do write to us. And again, if you wish to get your idea idea validation, so we do provide that service, plant estimation and validation service we provide. And if you don't know really where to go and what to do, so attend our trainings, or we also offer mentoring. So do go for these services and stay tuned to watch another video. Thank you.